Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And my Latinx music for today is about the amazing country of Peru. So if you're not familiar about the country, it's located on the Pacific Ocean side of the South American continent. Its capital is Lima, and it's actually the main ancestral home of the Inca civilization, which is its expanse stretched up and down the Andes from Ecuador, Bolivia, northern part of Argentina and Chile, all through Peru. And if you ever heard of the ruins of Machu Picchu, which is a UNESCO heritage site, it is a must see. It's on my bucket list to do before I exit this plane of existence. So I do want to go. I can't wait to go. The other unique aspects of the country is that it has such a strong connection to its indigenous past, and connection to its indigenous roots, that the official languages of Peru are Spanish predominantly, and then also Quechua and Aymara. And also, if you ever get to go eat in Peru, they have such an amazing food scene, and you'll probably be invited in a fancy restaurant, or maybe if you're in a rural area, you might be able to eat this as well, which is a growing trend and which was a main staple for the ancient Incas, is cuches. If you don't know what cuches is, it's Spanish for guinea pigs. So you might get to eat guinea pig in Peru if you go. So it's actually been a staple in ancient Inca civilizations, and the tradition has actually been revived quite a bit in Peru. So it's a delicacy to eat there. And so if you look at your pet guinea pig next to you, they were actually meant to be food, not friend. Only in the last couple hundred years, colonizers actually domesticated the guinea pig when it brought back guinea pigs from Peru, and instead of eating them, they fell in love with them and domesticated them. So I think that was a unique aspect of Peru. So as far as Millennial Loteria goes, the next card for the board is El Tattoo. El Tattoo, y'all. Okay, mark it on your boards, y'all. And since we're talking about tattoos, how many do y'all have? Comment below how many tattoos y'all have. I have 3, and I have plans for several more. But we'll see. So see y'all later, okay? Ciao.